That's not an airplane.
We've been getting a lot of reports this week of people saying that there are spy drones flying over their house. These aren't just regular drones either. These drones are the size of cars. Who's responsible for these drones? We need to get to the bottom of this.
That's not a plane.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Vineland, New Jersey. We received this footage earlier, and it's probably one of the most clearest footage that we've received so far of the drones that people have been reporting over their homes. Atlanta, Georgia.
You're
Hey, this isn't your mom's house, buddy. Mountain Lakes, New Jersey. Another drone spotted in the sky. Police are denying involvement, and they've been asking neighbors to report any sightings of drones over their homes. Most of the drone reports are coming out of the tri-state area around New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. I've seen highway signs that say Highway Patrol uses drones to monitor people's speeding activity, but I don't know if this is the case here. Mesa, Arizona. What's this guy up to?
I rang the doorbell, no one answered. I rang the doorbell, no one answered. Sorry.
This guy just tried to walk inside of somebody's home and then tried to play it off. Just because I don't answer the door doesn't give you the right to walk inside of my house. Get lost!
There's two of them.
Oh my god.
Mom, is this real? No, come.
What is that?
They're super loud.
No, but they're super low.
Look at this one right there.
Look at the
that one.
lights. Look at the lights on it.
Look at that.
It's a saucer.
This neighbor in California reported spy drone sightings outside of his home.
That's not a plane.
What the heck is that? And that looks like one of them in the distance.
Yeah.
Mom, that's right there. Mom, that's right there.
I don't...
That's right above us. That's not a plane. That is not a plane. Yes, it is.
Nope, that's not a plane.
So it's not exclusive to the East Coast. Houston, Texas. She's the real definition of a party pooper. Meanwhile in Mesa, this guy's trying to be a good father. It kind of looks like a jet, but I could be wrong. North Hollywood, California. Better bring your dogs inside, because if it's not the coyotes, it's this lady you gotta worry about. Houston, Texas. Check these guys out.
No. Hello? Yes, they're hot. I came over here because my mail was in here.
That voice definitely doesn't match the face. Denville, New Jersey. Another drone sighting. Mountain Lakes, New Jersey. Kinda looks like a jet, but it could be one of those spy drones. Lakeside, California can't even leave Christmas decorations out anymore. Howell, New Jersey, another spy drone sighting.
No, that's not an airplane. That's creepy. Here, she's taking a video. That's low. That's so low. Here, wait 1 sec. It's about to pop out of the trees. Yeah, no, that's not a airplane. Holy shit. What? So low. Oh my god. Taylor's filming it right now. She is. Holy shit. That is like...
That's not an airplane.
I don't know. That's not an airplane. It's got a top...
Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Hello. These are the flowers that my mom sent for you. And then I made you this. It's like a little trail mix and puppy chow. And I'll leave it down here for you too. And it has peanut butter. So just in case. Happy holidays.
Oh, what a sweet neighbor.
What
You
is?
have good eyes. It's right there.
It could land on a house. It could land on a house any second.
Pompano Beach, Florida. Your Christmas wreaths aren't safe. Obviously. Meanwhile in Denville, more drone sightings. What are these things? Meanwhile in Vineland, another daytime shot of one of the drones. That's definitely not a plane, and that definitely doesn't look like a consumer drone either. Meanwhile on Lakeside, they're back for the rest of the Christmas decorations. Seattle, Washington. Hey, go buy your own Christmas lights, lady.
You dumb.
Lady, bro.
Beer, Delaware.
Alright, there is the drone above our house.
What are they doing? Yeah, take a video of that. And there's another one. Isn't that another one?
No, that's a plane.
That is a plane?
Yes.
Are you sure that's a drone?
Look at the difference. See?
Boy, I'd love to shoot that thing down, man.
Get your ass out that backyard. Get out of my backyard.
This is my people's crib.
That ain't your people crib.
Yeah.
Wrong house, buddy.
Sounds like she watches Doorbell News. Get lost!
No, them goddamn people, get your ass on some damn well.
Mom, what happened? Mom, what happened?
Let me get my shit.
What do you guys think about all these drone sightings? Have you seen a drone outside of your house? Let us know.
It's more drone footage. I can't go live.
At first, people thought they were UFOs, but they're clearly spy drones. Leave your feedback in the comments.
That thing's freaking huge, man.
And if you see any drones outside of your house, make sure you send the videos to doorbellnews@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
I'm gonna say it a few times because it's big. That thing's what, like a quarter mile away?
And if you need a doorbell camera or any other home security equipment, make sure you check out the products that we now have available. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.